What if you entered a date in a Microsoft Access table which wasn't formatted correctly? For example, you intend for your date to be displayed in UK format, where the day comes before the month, but then the date appears with the month before the day instead. Inside your table, go to Design View, left-click once on the field that you wish to format, such as my date of birth field here, for example, which is given a date-time data type. Underneath General, left-click on the box next to Format, and type in the D's, M's and Y's in the format that you wish the date to be displayed. In this case here, I want the first two characters to represent the day, followed by the month and then the year in 4 digits. When I go back to Datasheet view, here is the example. And here is another example with the month coming before the day and with only 2 digits showing the year at the end. Ensure that you save your table when making these changes. And you're done.